Good morning, dear student. Today our topic is common factor and highest common factor. You already know that what is the meaning of common. Suppose this is a apple and this is a mango. What is the if I say you what is the common between these this these both are fruit. Then similarly, in common factor we already read what is the meaning of factor in common factor. Suppose I take two number. I am taking here example question number 3 in exercise 5.1. Understand, where 9 and 15 and ask that write the common factor and highest common factor. Understand, dear student, what is the 9? What is common factor will be? No, sorry. What will be the factor? What will be the factors of 9? In ones table there are 9. 1 9s are 9. In 2 table does not 9. In 3 3s are 9 and in 9. Understand, dear student? In after it is 15. What is the factors will be here? Factors will be 1. There is no 15 in the 2 table. 3 5s are 15. There will be 4 is not factor of 15. Then 5 and after it 15. Understand? If you see here what is the common factors, if you say that what is the common factors, which are the common factor here, you can see 3 here and you can see 1 here and 1 here. It means 1 is the common factor in both. After it you can see 3 here and you also see 3 will be here. Then 3 is here, but 9 is not here, no 5 is not here and 15 is not here. It means what is the common factor? Common factors are in between these number 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And what is the highest common factor? You can say highest means it is lowest common factor and it is the highest common factor. What is the highest common factor is here? 3 is the highest common factor is here. Understand, here student? Question number 2. B 18 and 4. 18 and 4. Understand? If I say what is the factor of 18, factor will be in 1 2 because 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 4 not is a factor of, 5 will be and 6 3s are 18 and after 8 9 2s are 18 and 18. Understand, dear student? Then if I write here 4, what is the factor of 4 will be here? 1 2 and 3 is not a factor of 4 and 4 will be factor of 8. If I say which one will be common factor? 1 is here and 1 will be also here. 1 is also here. 1 is the common factor because both have 1 and 2 is also both number. Understand? Then highest common factor will be, what is the highest in these two numbers? 2 is highest and it is the lowest. Understand, dear student? Hope you understand well. Thank you.